Did you know that some microstock photographers make over $100,000 a year just by selling their photos online? Crazy, right? If you're interested in turning your passion for photography into a money-making machine, stick around because I've got some killer tips that can help you make bank. So, what's the deal with microstock photography? Well, it's a way for photographers to sell their images to businesses and individuals without needing a big budget or fancy connections. With the right strategy, you can tap into a goldmine of income potential. Today, I'm going to share some essential tips to help you navigate the microstock world and boost your earnings. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the challenges. If you're thinking about diving into microstock, you're not alone. Thousands of photographers are trying to get their work noticed in a sea of millions of images. The competition is fierce, and standing out can feel impossible. Plus, with so many contributors out there, it can be tough to gain visibility. You might feel like your amazing shots are just getting lost in the shuffle. But don't worry, I've been there too, and it's totally manageable if you know what to do. Exploration/development. Alright, let's get into some juicy tips. First off, choose the right platforms. Not all microstock sites are created equal. Do your homework and find out where your style fits best. Some platforms cater to more artistic images, while others lean towards commercial photography. Then, keep an eye on trends. What's hot right now? Is there a specific theme or subject that's in demand? Tailoring your submissions to match current trends can skyrocket your sales. Another crucial tip is to optimize your submissions. When uploading, make sure you use relevant keywords and descriptions. The better your metadata, the easier it is for potential buyers to find your work. And don't forget about image quality. High-resolution images that are well composed will always perform better. Climax/key moment. Now, here comes the game changer. One of the best strategies is to leverage social media. Share your microstock portfolio on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Building a personal brand can help attract buyers directly to your work. Also, focus on niche markets. Instead of trying to compete in the overcrowded general stock photo category, find a specific niche you're passionate about. Whether it's drone photography, travel, or lifestyle shots, owning a niche can set you apart and increase your chances of sales. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap it up, remember to choose the right platforms, stay on top of trends, optimize your submissions, leverage social media, and focus on niche markets. These tips can really make a difference in your microstock journey, helping you to stand out and earn more from your photography. Call to action, CTA. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried microstock photography before? What challenges have you faced? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my other videos on photography tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.